guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and I have a really awesome recipe today for you that is perfect for your St. Patrick's Day party. Now, let's face it, the past 2 years we haven't been able to party as much as we wanted to, parades have been canceled and so on, but this year St. Patrick's Day is back in full force, and that means so are St. Patrick's Day parties. So I thought that I would give a couple recipes this year that are really geared towards making multiple of it for something that you can serve at your party. So today we are going to make Reuben Squares that you can cut up and serve to your friends while you're getting down for St. Patrick's Day. We're going to start by rolling out one package of crescent rolls. Now, as you know, crescent rolls come kind of like severed so that you can roll them up. So you're going to want to just press it together and close up all of those spaces. It's really easy. Crescent's really easy to work with, and you don't have to be too perfect about it here. Close up all of those spaces, and then it's time for the next step. After that, we're going to take all of the traditional fixings that go into a delicious Reuben and place it out all along our crescent. So I like to start with the corned beef. I have an awesome corned beef recipe on this channel, so if you don't have one that you use, you can go ahead and check that out. And we're going to just lay this out. Now you want to leave a little bit of room around the ends because we're going to actually kind of like press them down so it's a little bit like a pocket. Now after your corned beef is laid out, you're going to do the same thing with the shredded Swiss and some sauerkraut. So just go ahead and lay out that cheese right over, leaving a little bit of a lip, and then do sauerkraut as well. When you're doing your sauerkraut, you're going to want to make sure that you don't get too much liquid in there. So just be mindful of that and just kind of get really just the kraut portion and not too much of that liquid that comes with it. So next step is your Thousand Island, which you're just going to kind of drizzle over top. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect because as this cooks, it will like kind of like blend a little bit more together, but just try to like, you know, you don't want to actually like spread it out on thick. That'll be too much moisture for the crescent, but you just want to kind of get it in there and make it even throughout. Then you're going to pop open your second package of crescent and lay it out on top. Now you're going to have to do the same thing and make sure that all of those serrated cuts are closed. So just go along and close them all up. Last step before this goes into the oven is that you're going to pinch down all of your ends, like I said, so that it makes almost like a little pocket. So just pinch your bottom and top dough together. And once it's all closed up, we're going to just do a quick little egg wash over top, definitely to get any areas that you pinched closed. And then it's going into a 375-degree oven for about 12 minutes. You'll know it's done when your crescent roll is nice and golden brown. When your crescent is nice and golden brown, these Reuben squares are done. Pull it on out of the oven, and you can actually just take a pizza cutter and slice it into some delicious squares to serve at your St. Patrick's Day party. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.